Minisita w'Ihanga orukujunaniza ubwahanshonga z'abakozi Grace Mary Mugasa nuwe yiguraho ruterane rw'abarukujunaniza ubwahanshonga z'abakozi ba government omuyanga ryona orukuza ku marebero bishatu aha Las Vegas Hotel omurembo rwa Mbarara.
Without us transforming ourselves and changing our attitude, we won't move. We won't what? We won't move, both as individuals and as institutions and as a nation. So let's have that mindset. Let's be positive about what we are picking and listen and learn intently.
The people you are handling have a lot of challenges, ranging from the wage or the salary disparities, issues of school fees, all that. So when they come to you, they expect you know, to calm them down.
Mu butumwa bwe Minisita Mugasa yajumerera abanyabutegetsi abarukuteganisa abakozi ba government.
But I know the politicians, we have intervened too much. And you fear to work professionally because these people will blackmail you, you will not be promoted. The truth, to tell them the truth because you fear them.
Minisita yayanjura kuba ariyo bakora hakubongera umushara okubahwera kora umurimo gwabo nko kucishemerire kandi yajumerera babaruguze imirimo ya government.
Is there any shop where they sell jobs? And who told you to turn jobs with the prices? It is like common knowledge these days that if you are a scientist, it is 30 million. If you are an artist, it is this. If you are a teacher, it is what? Where is that supermarket? Where they are selling jobs from?
Oruterano no ku marebero bishatu ubwo abakozi aba barukutende ko mbe kwatirene no kurebera abakozi batayi babo.
Thank you.
Ahabwa TV WestNehinda Bataringaya.